For this problem, we want to find the displacement and distance traveled by a particle over the interval 0, 3 for the given velocity at time t. Let's start with the displacement over the interval 0, 3. Okay, for the first one, we have the function v of t, which is equal to t to the third power minus 3t squared plus 2 times t. So the displacement, that'll be, let's say, s of t. This is equal to the interval from 0 to 3 of v of t, which is t to the third power minus 3t squared plus 2t dt. Now integrating, we have t to the fourth power over 4 minus 3 times t to the third power over 3 plus 2 times t squared over 2. Evaluate